bulldozer. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer.
The wheels on the bus.
Amazing!
Swish, 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 swish.
We will prepare the site and dig a pit. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. That's all.